Ka office jong block development officer jong ka Jirang si ana di block kabudan po patar khma. Shen gan sayo no de ka building le ka yeng ka Thymmai e ka bon tip kum ka block integrated development complex. Kini kalong hadi malapli yo mono remban te ye kini ka building ka Thymmai la u MLA jong ka Jirang uba sosna sotun ringkat ka jedon lang ki he ki han jong ka sarkar ki bakan thup yo project director jong ka DRDA River district BDO bat kiwi de ki officer jong ka River district. Ye kini ka building ka Thymmai antai ha ka jinglot ka ba R.9 klot tengka. Haba kren ha kan ka jalang ban pli yo monong rem u MLA jong ka Jirang uba asotun ula ong bar lapan pau ka jing sokmen ye ka jing yo ye kini ka building ka Thymmai bar ula ong ru kan wan ra ye ka jing trekam ka ba khamha na kam ta ka jing sakri ye ka snong ki thau ba kamjuri ki pai ba nang chong snong jong ka Jirang constituency. Henry ula ong par pada ka building ka bha kan nuru ni lek Nongtrei ki wan tak asing Sngi. Myntoi e setia banyo ya ke yeng ka Thymmai.
Thank you, sir. And thank you, all of you. Thank you.
It is of no use if this new building will come out and staff will come here to the office for 2-3 days only. Our people needs you. The people of Jirang constituency needs you. Our headman, secretary, VC chairman, secretary, they need you. They need this office to complete the works. Dengan kerpat ia kerja telang. Inong ilam senong, VC chairman, secretary, ka office jong video ka rekam ia kerja telang lebih. Kini ke office ke Thymmai on sependep no kloy but ingin skemba lingba kini ke office ke Thymmai ngit sanang la ban kintiu ya kini ke dong ke thai ke jungi ke bahap ha ke jing pe jing mi jong ke Jirang si ana di blok tilong mi kirangwa ki sama ki nong yelam जो किश्नों के बफेर की वेदन न करे कुपोर कबूलता निदन कम बरोबर बंदन ये कथा का जिंग सोंगो ना कबंता के जिंगले अफा जो सोगा नमन इते बाहर की संस्नम के बुलाले का सोगा कला ले भा ना कबंता के Jirang constituency करे का रिकॉर्ड है के Jirang constituency the government has done very well. In the last 5 years, it's a record also with regards to many departmental schemes, with regards to many other developments. It is because of the teamwork of the government and the officers, it's the hard work of all the officers, the honorable chief ministers, the ministers concerned, together with your local MLA and MTC. We are happy. We are very happy, especially myself as the MLA. I'm very happy that my people, the people of my constituency, they are seeing the light of the day. That many developmental works happened in my time. At the time of the MDA government. Perlok baro, yidon hakene ka kamera, yiwan na kabanta banya sakilang hagawide bakene ka jingpli ya mau rim na kabanta bansnai ka building ka Thymmai. Ya karpa ipi baro iwe. Ban kentiu ya ka dok ka thai, ban pintiu ka constituency, ban kentiu ya ka block. Lada batang ki officers tang video bagi staff kim ki bantre na kabanta jopi la mabhi pimwan syakmat bani tre lang bat office jong video la sai kalong ka bae hado kata dan kami ka teamwork ka baklai kumno bangin nang la ban pencelon iki kam bagadong ka than ka jungi ni ka remote area ichai na sir one of the remote constituency, Jirang, especially Jirang, C and block.